Hey everybody, my name is Kevin Gurton with Avaya here at Synnex InVision event. Here today talking about Avaya Experience Platform and what it can mean for the customer experience as I call into the contact center. So one of the great things about Avaya is we can blend on-premise traditional solutions with more innovative features with Avaya Experience Platform and Avaya Experience Connect. Really the best of both worlds, allowing customers to take advantage of their tried and true contact center installations with all kinds of hooks and long endured solutions built in, but also allowing new innovation, access to artificial intelligence, chatbots, digital connections, all host of really neat solutions that make a seamless experience for the user wherever they are. So really excited to be here with partnering with TD Synnex. It's been a great event so far, and really appreciate the time and opportunity. And for more information, check out avaya.com. Thank you.